everybody, Dr. JJ Levine coming to you live from Essanté Organics Corporate with some great news. This had been one of our very popular products for a very long time, the Restore. It's a great product. It is a leave-in conditioner and it is very, very popular. And what I want to share is the formula has not changed, but we now have it in this convenient squeeze tube to kind of align with the transfer to all the tubes that we've been going to. So still the exact same formula, it still smells amazing, still works amazing, but as you start ordering this product next week, you're going to be getting it in this convenient tube. You're going to love it. It's going to be really easy for you to get the product out. And don't forget, this product is on sale right now. You buy one and you get the other one at 50% off. So be sure to go to your on sale now section of your Essanté Organics website, or get back with the person who shared this video with you and have them share their website with you. So they can go there, or you can go to their website and get the 50% off as you buy 2 of them. All right? Make it a great day, everybody. Have a great day, and we look forward to serving you all. Bye-bye.